These backyard renovation AI videos are going viral right now on YouTube, and they are getting insane amounts of views. And you have the opportunity to become one of them. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create videos like these using AI, completely free, 100%. All you have to do is keep watching until the very end, because this tutorial is packed with powerful steps that can completely change your content game. Before we begin, if we go to YouTube and search for American Hardscaper, we'll notice that the channel already has 486,000 subscribers from only 377 videos. And if we scroll down just a little bit, we can clearly see that these videos are getting millions of views. This video reached 68 million views. This one got 38 million. This one has 28 million. And this one reached 26 million views. As you can see, almost every single video is pulling in huge numbers. So if you want to get views like this too, make sure you watch this video carefully until the end. Alright, let's get started. We're going to use ChatGPT. I actually created a special master prompt specifically designed for making videos exactly like these. If you want it, type prompt in the comments. First, I'm going to copy the prompt, then paste it into ChatGPT and hit send. Now we wait a few seconds while ChatGPT generates 10 unique and high-quality video ideas that will make the entire process much easier for us. And there we go, the 10 ideas are ready. Let's take a quick look at them. As you can see, all of the ideas are creative and very unique. For this example, I'm going to choose idea number 10. Small space, smart backyard. You'll notice that ChatGPT automatically generated 4 image prompts and 3 video prompts for us. And now it's time to generate the images. First, we're going to copy the first image prompt. Then we'll head over to the Flow website. Click on New Project and wait for everything to load. After that, click right here and select Image, choose 9:16, set it to ×1, and select Nano Banana 2. Now paste the prompt and hit send. Then wait a few moments for the first image to generate. And just like that, the first image has been created. Now, we're going to click these 3 dots right here, then select Add to Prompt. After that, we go back to ChatGPT and copy the second image prompt. Then we return to Flow, paste the prompt, click Send, and wait for the second image to generate. Once the second image finishes generating, we're going to click these 3 dots again and choose Add to Prompt for the second image. Then we head back to ChatGPT and copy the third image prompt. Next, we return to Flow, paste it, click Send, and wait a little for the third image to generate. After the third image is finished, we're going to select Add to Prompt for the third image as well. Then we go back to ChatGPT one more time and copy the fourth image prompt. Finally, we return to Flow, paste the prompt, click Send, and wait a few moments for the fourth image to generate. And after finishing the generation of the fourth image, now all the images are completely ready, which means it's finally time to generate the videos. First, we're going to click right here and select Video. Then choose Frame, set it to 9:16 ×1, and select VO 3.1 Light. After that, click on Start, choose the first image, then click on End and select the second image. Now we go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. Then we return to the Flow website, paste the prompt, hit Send, and wait a few moments for the video to generate. And there we go. The first video has been generated successfully. Now, we're going to download it by clicking these 3 dots right here. Then click Download and choose 720p. After that, we simply wait for the first video to finish downloading. Now it's time to create the second video. Click on Start, select the second image, then click on End and choose the third image. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the second video prompt. Then head back to Flow, paste the prompt, click Send, and wait for the video generation to finish. Perfect! The second video has now been generated successfully as well. Just like before, click on these three dots, press Download, choose 720p, and wait for the second video to finish downloading completely. Now, for the third and final video, click on Start and select the third image. Then click on End and choose the fourth image. Go back to ChatGPT again and copy the third video prompt. Then return to Flow, paste the prompt, hit Send, and wait for the final video to generate. And success! The third video has been generated perfectly. Now, we're going to download it the exact same way. Click the three dots, press Download, choose 720p, and wait until the third video is fully downloaded. And just like that, we've officially finished generating all the videos. Now, it's time for the final step, combining these three clips into one complete video. For this step, I'm going to use CapCut, but you can use any editing software you prefer. First, click on Import, then select clips that we downloaded earlier. After that, drag the clips onto the timeline in order, just like this. And now you can customize the video however you want. You can add some transitions, effects, stickers, text, or anything else that makes the video look more engaging and professional. You can also zoom in slightly on the video so we can hide this watermark right here. We'll repeat the same step for the second and third clips as well. Set the zoom to 108%. This works perfectly. Once everything looks good, click on Export and wait for the rendering process to finish. And that's it. Your video is now fully ready to upload. At this point, I've explained everything step by step, and now it's your turn to apply these methods yourself. You can repeat the exact same process with the rest of the ideas and create many different videos, all with the potential to get millions of views. See you next time, my friends. Bye-bye.